Tulle National was the last national race long distance of the season 2023. The winning bird against 4,982 old birds is the blue hen of Jespers-Vanderwegen, ring number B21 2074187. A middle-sized hen. She was basketed and brooding, so hatching eggs in fact. She's still standing very round, still very nervous. Very nice hen. And we have a look at her eye. You will see that she's a very strong white red eye. On father's side she goes back to Clairbout Chris birds, and on mother's side she's inbred of the base breeder, the Kleine Dirk from Jespers-Vanderwegen. This is their third national victory already. Now they basketed this hen also last weekend or the weekend before on Bush National, and there she won also a top 100 national. So in top 100 national on Bush weekend before, and this weekend on the long distance race of Tulle, the first national against 4,982 old birds. Distance 637 kilometers and a velocity of 1,307 meters per minute.